So I'm going to be doing an in-depth price action analysis on the SPY, breaking down the high levels of interest that I'm planning to trade at. Let's get straight into the analysis. So in terms of the SPY, we're currently at the upper middle of the channel. This is a key critical make or break level. As you can see right here, we had previous resistance on the SPY at 544 to 543 zone. Once the SPY had a massive break above resistance, that previous resistance zone reacted as a support level, as a support level, as a support level, as a support level for multiple fucking days. So in terms of where we are at right now, it's very simple. You can see right here we're towards the upper middle of the channel. This previous resistance reacted as support. Now in terms of this key support, you can see right here we had a lot of support at 545.60. It is attempting to react as resistance as the SPY is attempting to gap down during the extended hours trading session. So here's what I have to say about the SPY. If the SPY does end up gapping down, this is going to be the high level of interest for buying call options. It's going to be at $540. You can save that level for later into this week. The true best level to buy call options is at the gap close reversal trading strategy that I've created. The previous resistance to reacted as support, which has not been tested at 537, a key oversold level to be buying SPY, along with the gap that is waiting to fill at 537. That would be the true best level to be buying the SPY call options. Make sure you are setting price alerts at these levels of interest. Now, in terms of the SPY, if we do end up gapping up tomorrow, so this is going to be a key critical level for tomorrow to watch as well. This is the make or break middle, 545.51, the previous closing price. If we do end up gapping up above that, opening up higher, I'm going to be very interested based off the daily chart pattern that I studied. I'm going to be very interested in buying put options. In terms of where I would consider buying those put options, I have a zone. It's going to be at 547 key resistance to 548. And this is another key level of interest to be scalping put options once this is tested. So I gave you the true best level for calls, the 537 previous resistance reacts to support gap close reversal trading strategy. Now, in terms of the fucking puts, keep an eye on 550.70. This is key resistance that has not been tested during extended hours trading session. And psychologically, it's going to be a great number to try to short and buy put options. But like I said, if we do gap up tomorrow, I would be interested in the 547 to 548 zone. Make sure you are using the 30-minute trading confirmations that I've taught you when you are trading at these levels. You're going to want to wait for the 30-minute candlesticks to close. So if we're looking for a bearish move at a specific level, you're looking for trend reversal confirmations. You're looking for bearish confirmations. If you're looking for a bullish move at a certain level, you're looking for bullish confirmations, trend reversal confirmations, using the 30-minute chart, waiting for those 30-minute candlesticks to close. If you're trading with a lower time frame, then it's going to be a very quick scalp. If you're just going to use the 1-minute time frame as a confirmation, you're going to be in and out at the speed of fucking light for a small 5% gain on these contracts. But if you're using the 30-minute chart, you're going to be able to experience a bigger move and hold at the bare minimum for 30 fucking minutes, making much bigger gains. So focus on that 30-minute time frame and focus on that 1-hour time frame with the confirmations that I've been teaching you if you go back and study these 500 fucking videos. Now, with that being said, in terms of the trades that were made inside of Team Roar today, I'm going to break this down for you, man. Look at what we started off for today. So every single day, you're going to receive access to a morning game plan, breaking down the entire game plan for the day, along with the key levels. Everything is written out and explained inside of Team Roar. Now let me walk you through this. Right here at 9:31 a.m., let's buy Tesla calls for 39 cents a contract. These contracts are only 39 cents a contract. We're going further out of the money. Now take a look at this fucking play, man. Got in at 9:31 a.m., ended up exiting right here at 9:44 a.m. in 13 fucking minutes, selling at 111 cents, man. Who the fuck is putting like that at the speed of fucking light? This is the biggest percentage gains you're going to see in the fucking market with the lowest risk, because these are the cheapest contracts you can buy, the further out of the money ones. So that's the full play breakdown right there. In terms of the option contracts, you can clearly see on the chart, this was alerted at 9:31 a.m. So if we go to the chart, you're going to see right here at 9:31 a.m., this is where we alerted that trade. And then in terms of 13 minutes fucking later, you can see right here at the exact fucking peak. Sold the exact fucking peak, man. Who the fuck is doing that? So it literally went from fucking 30 cents all the way to 113. Do you understand? That's 250% plus profit return at the speed of fucking light in 13 minutes. Now you would think the winning would stop there. Absolutely fucking not. In terms of Team Roar, when you have a real-time options trading alert system, you can print all fucking day. You can print during the morning, you can print during the middle of the day, and you can print during power fucking hour. The contracts are so fucking cheap. You do not need to use a stop loss. We just let them fucking expire worthless if the trade doesn't fucking work out. There is no fucking stop loss. We have the entire day for these contracts to go in the money. Get some deep in the money for the biggest percentage gains in the fucking market with the lowest, cheapest risk. So, in terms of the next fucking play, you're going to see right here. So that's the first fucking win on the day. Right here. Second win. 9:51 a.m. Let's buy 546 SPY calls for 31 cents a contract. Ended up getting on these SPY calls at 31 cents a contract. These are the contracts right here. As you can see, this is where the alert was sent out. They went all the way down to fucking 10 cents. And then right here at fucking 58 cents, literally sold them in the fucking money. This is all alerted real fucking time, man. And take a look at this trade. This was the final trade on the fucking day. So like I said, we just fucking hold them, man. If it goes from fucking 30 to 10 cents, we just fucking hold them because you have the entire day for the play to go in the fucking money. So in terms of the next trade, you're going to see right here, man. This is the next fucking win. Everything in here is documented. We got a real-time options trailer system, man. Who the fuck do you know is printing like us at the speed of fucking light, making multiple 100% gains every single fucking day, man. Look at the next play, man. And then you can see you get the trade recap breakdown when the trade is exited. So right here, take a look at this. At 9:49 p.m., 5465 SPX puts for 95 cents a fucking contract, right? So as soon as we bought these fucking puts, SPX had a massive spike. And we switched fucking immediately, man. So in terms of that, you can see right here, we switched minutes later at 3:53 p.m. Fucking 4 minutes later. 5475 SPX calls for 90 cents a contract, man. So take a look at this, man. You got two trades right here. One's at 95 cents. It expires worthless. The other one's at 90 cents. It's cheaper, and we're selling at 850 a fucking contract for over a fucking 800% profit return at the speed of fucking light, man. When you are trading these fucking contracts, the win rate does not matter. You do not need a high fucking win rate. Inside of Team Roar, the win rate's above 90 fucking percent, but you don't even fucking need that, man. Because you could see the contracts are so fucking cheap. Cheap means fucking low risk. If they expire worthless, they expire fucking worthless. If they go in the fucking money, you sell them in the money for the biggest fucking percentage gains in the fucking market, man. So just think about this, man. Typically, most people, they will call it after the morning session. If they have a nice morning session and they're green for the day, they met their fucking goals, they'll call it. And then if they want to trade later on, they can risk, fucking 30%, 50% of their fucking profits in terms of Team Roar. Let's say we had a couple losses. Let's say we had a couple losses on the day. We're buying fucking, let's say, SPY contracts at 30 cents. Let's say we had 3 fucking losses in a row, which never fucking happens, on SPY contracts at 30 cents, right? And then we play one fucking SPX play at 90 cents, equivalent to the 3 fucking losses. If you're just taking the contract prices and sizing in that way, it makes up for all the fucking losses. 90 fucking cents turns into fucking 800 a fucking contract, man. If you would have played the puts and the fucking calls with a 50-50 win rate, you would have fucking had 180 invested into these contracts, 180 fucking 5. You would have lost fucking 90 on the fucking puts and you would have made 800 on the fucking calls, man. Look at this fucking play, man. This is called adapting. So as soon as we got in on those fucking puts, the play went against us immediately, and we fucking switched because it was a bullish confirmation, man. I called in the chat specifically that I was focused on buying call options on the fucking dips, man. So the play was switched very accordingly in that situation, and you can just see right here. This is 3:53 p.m. right here. You can see the fucking contracts are at 90 cents a fucking contract, and in just 3 minutes. Look at this fucking play, man. In 3 fucking minutes, they went from 90 cents all the way to 950 a contract, exiting at the exact fucking peak. Do you understand? So the exact fucking peak on not only the SPX calls, but the SPY 46 calls in the fucking money on both fucking plays, man. Who the fuck is printing like us at the speed of fucking light, man? So there you go. That's fucking 3 for 4 on the fucking day, man. That's non-stop fucking winning. The play was switched so fucking quickly that I don't even think anyone in the chat took the fucking puts. I saw people play the fucking calls. We had one member on the Tesla calls. He made a fucking killing, man. Where was that post? Let me find that fucking post, man. This guy made over $20,000 on those Tesla calls, man. Look at this fucking play, man. This was absolutely amazing. Big shout out to Human Made on that. That was fucking amazing. So anyways, man. If you want to be a part of Team Roar, it's going to be the first link down below. In the description, you'll receive access to the Roar community and our trades. You get access to a real-time options trade alert system inside of our secured private organization. Everything is documented, and if you'd like to join us, it is the first link down below within the description. Now, if you excuse me, I'm heading back to my secured private organization.